Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you to addition. You can recognize an addition problem by this little plus sign you see. It looks like a little T. Alright, so before we begin, I encourage you to get some tokens like I have. Right here I have 10 rocks. They can be anything really. I just picked up these rocks off the ground. You can use slips of paper or coins, whatever you like. I also have this here visual of 3 separate categories. You can set up something like this if you want, or you can just use your imagination. So what is addition exactly? It's taking separate numbers and putting them together. So here we have the plus sign, which means we're doing addition, and the equal sign, which will tell us what our answer is. So let's look at a first problem. We're going to do 1 plus 2 equals... Okay, so if we see this 1 here, we're going to take 1 rock and put it in the first box. Now when we see the 2, it means we're going to take 2 rocks and put it in the second box. So here I take 1 and 2. Now, what do? Well, the plus means that we add them together. And what does that mean? That means we put them together. So I put them together and I put them in this special box here, and you just count them up. 1, 2, 3. So that means that 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Alright, let's do that again just so you kind of can see it. 1 rock. 2 rocks. The plus means that we put them together. So I put the rocks together, put them in the special box. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that's 3. So that one was pretty easy. So let's try one that's a little harder. Let's do 2 plus 3. Alright, so 2 is our first addend number we're adding. So we're going to put 2 in the first box. 3 is our second addend. An addend is a number that you add. So that's 1, 2, 3 rocks. And now, what do? We see the plus sign, so that means that we need to put them together. So I take the 2 piles, and I merge them into one, and I put them in our special box called the sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Great. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our sum is 5. Sum is the answer of an addition problem. Alright, let's try that again. 2 rocks. 3 rocks. So now we put them together because the plus sign means we put things together, and then put it in the box that shows us our sum. We count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Let's keep practicing so you get this down. We're going to do 4 plus 3. So, as always, 4 is our first addend, so we're going to put 4 rocks in the first box. Now, what's our second addend? 3, right. So how many rocks are we going to put there? 1, 2, 3. So now, why don't you pause the video and put them together and count them up? Alright, remember there's the plus sign, so we put them together. We put them in the box for our sum. Oh wow, there's a lot of rocks now. Now we just count them up. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we have 4 plus 3 is 7. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our sum is 7. See? Let's take these 4 rocks back again. 4 is our first addend. 3 is our second addend. Remember, the plus means we put them together. So let's put them together. Whoops. Alright, and now you can see they're all together. And we count them up. 7. Nice. Alright, I think you're getting the hang of this, but we're going to do one more just so you can see. Ooh, 5. This is a big number. 5 plus 2. Alright, let's go. 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 is our first addend. 2 is going to be our second addend. So we have 1, 2 rocks. Alright. And now plus sign means put them together. Right. Alright. So now we take them all together. We put them in our magical blue box that will give us our sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we got 7 again. Awesome. Okay, let's take it back and we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rocks, our first addend. And then 1, 2. That's our second addend. And then plus means we put them together. And then we just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job! Alright, so now let's review the basics with a simple problem like 1 plus 2 is 3. So, first we recognize that it's an addition problem because of the little t, which is a plus sign. Then we know that addition means putting the two addends together. So we put 1 and 2 together. So here, you can see it's just like the rocks. You have one circle plus 2 circles. Then you see how many circles you have on the right. 1, 2, 3. So addends are the little piles that you put together. So 1 rock and 2 rocks. And then the sum is the final answer, or the big pile of rocks. So here, 3 rocks would be our sum. Good job and good luck with it, practicing your addition.